Ten years is a long time to come to one place, and it's a testament to Mt Marshall Shire and the people of Bencubbin. Country towns are dying, and this is one way of keeping country towns alive.
It's good for our community. We've only got about 150 in the town. When they come to the town, it just makes us all, helps the community businesses as well.
Yeah, it's a very good event. If we didn't have it, we wouldn't have anything. And the bit of damage they do to the property, well, that's nothing. So you can fix that up. That's the way I look at it anyway.
Yeah, I've been racing Bencubbin since it started 10 years ago. And, we won it the first year they ever had Bencubbin.
Gourmet race of the season. It's long flowing straights.
It's really fast, it's really flowing. The first year we raced here, myself, I rolled my car about 5 times.
Definitely the thrill of driving these cars. It's the speed and adrenaline rush that you get driving these cars.
Your mates and and you grind up the dust, and then you get back and you talk about it, and the stories get taller and taller. And
sometimes I get in the car and wonder I'm getting too old or whatever, but if you finish an event, it's just like, I don't know, it's just like an addiction. You want to go back and finish another one.
It's a fantastic event. It's probably one of the best organised events that we know around Australia.
If you have a look around and look at the people that are in the pits helping each other, working on their cars, there's a real brotherhood and camaraderie that flows through the sport, and I think that's why I race.
I think it's just the friendship more than anything. You build up relationships and everyone's kind and generous. The day that stops is the day that the sport will probably stop, but at the moment it's just a weekend away with family.
I've been to every Bencubbin event since its inception.
A decade of duking it out in the dirt and having a great time.
Railway line, never lived.
As long as I'm racing, I'll keep coming back to Bencubbin.